Hello, welcome to Lawyer's Kingdom. How are you doing today? Let's talk about aviation law in India. Comprehensive guide to regulations, career paths, and future prospects. Introduction. Aviation law is a complex and multidisciplinary field that governs various legal aspects of the aviation industry. In India, aviation law encompasses a wide range of statutes, regulations, and international conventions that ensure safety, security, and efficiency in air transportation. This detailed blog aims to provide an extensive overview of aviation law in India, including its regulatory framework. Key sections and statutes, career opportunities, salary prospects, and future prospects for aspiring aviation lawyers. Regulatory framework of aviation law in India. The Aircraft Act, 1934, an in-depth analysis of the Aircraft Act, its objectives, and provisions related to aircraft registration. Airworthiness certification, licensing of pilots and crew, and regulatory oversight. The Aircraft Rules, 1937, a comprehensive examination of the rules framed under the Aircraft Act, covering aspects such as aircraft maintenance, air operations, air transport services, licensing requirements, and safety standards. International conventions and treaties. An overview of international conventions and treaties ratified by India that impact aviation law, including the Chicago Convention, Montreal Convention, and Cape Town Convention. Becoming an aviation lawyer in India. Educational qualifications, detailed information on the educational qualifications required to pursue a career in aviation law, including a law degree from a recognized university and specialization in aviation law through relevant courses or postgraduate programs. Skill set and expertise, an exploration of the essential skills and expertise necessary for success in aviation law, such as a deep understanding of aviation regulations, contract law, tort law, and dispute resolution mechanisms. Licensing and Bar Council registration, the process of obtaining a law license and registering with the Bar Council of India to practice as an advocate in the field of aviation law. Internships and practical experience, the significance of internships and practical experience with law firms. Aviation companies or regulatory authorities to gain hands-on exposure to aviation law cases, regulations, and industry practices. Scope of practice and career paths. Aviation law firms, an overview of law firms specializing in aviation law, their role in advising clients on aviation-related legal matters, and the diverse areas of practice within aviation law, such as aviation finance, aircraft leasing, air transportation, and regulatory compliance. In-house legal counsel, exploring the opportunities for aviation lawyers to work as in-house legal counsel for airlines. Airports, aviation regulatory bodies, and aviation companies, providing legal advice, contract drafting, and compliance support. Government and regulatory bodies, the prospects of working as legal advisors or consultants for government departments. Regulatory authorities and agencies responsible for formulating aviation policies, enforcing regulations, and resolving legal disputes. International organizations and consultancies, highlighting career prospects with international organizations like the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, and aviation consultancies. where aviation lawyers can contribute to global aviation law developments, policy formulation, and industry best practices. Salary prospects and future prospects. Salary range, a comprehensive analysis of the salary prospects for aviation lawyers in India, considering factors such as experience, expertise, location, organization size, and area of practice. Career progression, an overview of the potential career progression paths for aviation lawyers, including opportunities to specialize in specific areas of aviation law, lead legal teams, become partners in law firms, or establish independent practices. Future prospects, insights into the evolving nature of aviation law in India, including emerging areas such as drone regulations, space law, and environmental sustainability, which present new avenues for growth and specialization. Ravi, a passionate law student with a deep fascination for the aviation industry, can pursue a rewarding career as an aviation lawyer in India. By completing his law degree from a reputable institution and specializing in aviation law through advanced courses or postgraduate studies, Ravi can gain in-depth knowledge and understanding of the legal intricacies involved in the aviation sector. Through internships with law firms, aviation companies, or regulatory bodies, Ravi can gain practical experience and develop a strong foundation in handling aviation law cases. With dedication and continuous learning, Ravi can carve a successful path as an aviation lawyer, contributing to the growth and regulation of the aviation industry in India. Conclusion. Aviation law is a dynamic and specialized field that plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety, security, and efficiency of the aviation industry in India. Aspiring aviation lawyers should acquire a solid foundation in aviation law, stay updated with regulatory developments, and cultivate the necessary skills and expertise to navigate this complex legal landscape. With the rapid growth of the aviation sector and increasing emphasis on regulatory compliance, a career in aviation law offers promising opportunities for those passionate about aviation and the law. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.